everyone, welcome to my channel. For the lucky few of you who subscribe to my newsletter in time to receive 2 free presets, Forest and Sunshine, this is going to be a tutorial that goes over how you use them. The presets are unique in the sense that they're designed for specific landscapes and certain kinds of light. So for my forest preset, this is going to work best for landscapes that have dark greenery and less sunlight. And my sunshine preset is going to work best for photos that have been taken in direct sunlight and preferably the beach. I hope you guys enjoy. The photo we're going to start with was provided by Samantha's_suitcase. You can find her on Instagram. And since this is a forest location, we're going to use the forest preset. With one click, it looks really great. It's a little bit moodier and it's kind of dark. So if you like the dark, moody vibe, that's great, you're probably done. If not, come over to the tab on the side and maybe increase the exposures just a little bit. That way you could see more of the details, and then you're done. This next photo is by Krabby Patty with 2 Y's and an underscore at the end. Since we have greenery around and the lighting is a little bit darker, I'm going to use the forest preset. And this is a great example that just shows how presets don't always work with one click. Sometimes you do have to make adjustments in this sidebar. So the first thing that I notice is that the oranges are very vibrant, so I'm going to come over and lower the temperature. And you can already see a decrease in the oranges. The next thing I'll do is increase the exposure. The one thing that I notice is that there is a purple tint to the photo, which kind of mutes the greens more, so I'm actually going to decrease that so the tint is more green. And because I want to show the greenery even more, I'm going to come down to the colors, lower the luminance of the yellows and the greens, and then increase the saturation of the greens just a tad bit. Then I'm going to come up and up the contrast, and we're done. This is one of my photos taken on my Nikon D750. It was in a Puerto Rico rainforest, so I'm going to use the forest preset. Looks really great. The one thing that I will do is just increase the highlight and increase the temperature of the orange a little bit and luminance so I stand out. And then I'm done. I also can use the sunshine preset, which gives it a completely different vibe. And you honestly can just keep it as is. I might personally just increase the exposure a tiny bit and lower the yellows, luminance, as well as the saturation, increase the green hue and saturation a bit. This next photo is by my friend Sweet Carolina J. She is also on Instagram. I'm going to use the forest preset, and with one click it's done. I also can use the sunshine preset as well, and it gives it a different look, but it's still really, really pretty. This is also one of my photos that I took on my Nikon D750. Since this image is in complete sunlight, I'm going to use my sunshine preset. Everything looks really great with one click. The only thing is that I'm a little washed out, so I'm going to come over to the orange color and just lower the luminance. And then I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and feel free to subscribe to my channel and check out some other tutorials and videos.